Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Now, this is how we are going to do it. First things first, you're going to go ahead and tap these three lines here. After doing so, you will see a gear icon next to the search icon. You're just going to go ahead and click that one. Once you're here, you're just going to go ahead and click this button here. It says see more in Account Center. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down and look for personal details. I'm going to go ahead and click that one. And then scroll down this time and you will be able to see here an option that says account ownership and control. So go ahead and click that one. Now we have two options here. We have memorialization, or another one is deactivation or deletions. We're going to go ahead and opt for the latter one. This time you have there your Facebook. So again, we're going to deactivate our Facebook. So we're going to choose this one here. Now, here are the options. We have deactivate account and another one is to delete it. If you're going to do it temporarily, so go ahead and opt for deactivate. If you want to do it permanently, go ahead and choose delete. But again, we're going to deactivate our account, so we're going to click this one here and we're just going to go ahead and click continue. After doing so, you're just going to go ahead and type your password and then hit that continue button and you're done. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to deactivate your Facebook account.